Why it is important to learn SQL normalization. Learning first normal form, second normal form, and third normal form is essential for designing efficient, reliable databases. These principles reduce duplicate data, prevent inconsistencies, improve query performance, and make databases easier to maintain and scale. Whether you're learning SQL or becoming a software developer, mastering the first 3 normal forms is a fundamental skill. Stay until the end of this video, where I'll teach each normal form step by step using just 3 simple images, making these concepts easy to understand and remember. Image 1. First normal form. Goal: make data atomic, unbreakable. This first image addresses the fundamental structure of your data. We start with a messy design, the red X table, where a single cell in the product purchased column contains multiple items: shirt, shoes. This is called a repeating group and is considered a database bad design because it makes it incredibly difficult to search for individual items or update prices. The first normal form fix, shown at the bottom, transforms the table so that every column contains only atomic values. This means each cell holds only one distinct piece of information. We split the repeating data, creating unique records for each item in the order. Order 100 now occupies 2 distinct rows. Image 2. Second normal form. Goal: all columns must depend on the entire primary key. This image steps up the complexity by looking at tables with composite keys, a primary key made of 2 or more columns. In the problematic top table, the key is order ID, product ID. However, the diagram reveals a partial dependency. 1. Customer name is determined only by the order ID. If you know the order, you know the customer. 2. Product name is determined only by the product ID. This structure forces us to repeat customer data for every product they order, which is redundant. The second normal form fix breaks the main table apart into separate tables, ensuring that every non-key column depends entirely on the primary key of its new table. The final design creates clean, efficient tables for products and orders, with a linking table to join them. Image 3. Third normal form. Goal: no non-key column should depend on another non-key column. This image identifies a subtle but important rule. Non-key columns should not form a dependency chain among themselves. In the second normal form table shown at the top, the primary key is simply order ID. It perfectly determines the date. However, look at the dependency chain highlighted in the diagram. Order ID determines customer ID. Customer ID determines customer name. This chain forms a transitive dependency, the red X. The issue is that we are storing the customer's name multiple times just to link their ID to the order. Every time a customer places an order, we must replicate their name, which wastes space. The third normal form fix splits this chain. We create a dedicated customers table to store all the customer-specific details, and the orders table uses a foreign key, customer ID foreign key, or FK, to reference it. The database is now clean, efficient, and free of redundancy. To learn more about tips and projects, do not forget to subscribe, share, and like. SQL Simplified, the Essential Guide. Introduction to Structured Query Language is a new addition to the only a few pages series, designed specifically to cut through complex database jargon and get right to the practical skills you need. Whether you are transitioning from spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to more robust database management, or you are a complete beginner looking to master fundamental querying and normalization theory, this guide provides clear, step-by-step instructions. Readers should grab this book because it skips the unnecessary fluff, focusing on precise, easy-to-understand tutorials that will quickly help you build, structure, and query databases with confidence. Get yours here, https://amzn.to/4gnrbhj.